I am the Green Mushroom King, and I serve the Green Wizard. All will bow before the Green Wizard. But I am the Red Mushroom King. I serve Ronok, and all shall bow before Ronok. Then it is war. War. This is the Green Mushroom King army. And this is the Red Mushroom King army. It is me doing a chess set based on fantasy spirits. Kind of tiny little bit touch-up stuff to do, but on the whole, it's finished. Ready to play a massive game of chess of red mushrooms versus green mushrooms. Hopefully you enjoy seeing what I've done the last 3 days. Spent the last 3 days on. I have to do another 12 hours worth just of touchy up bits. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.